Hey everyone, John Zhao here from johnzhao.com, and I'm here at South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out.
Oh God, no, it's not. The name is You don't name a can after food. No, because
This is one of Cars and Coffee's sponsor, Polestar, pure electric vehicle. And there we have the other Cars and Coffee sponsor. No, it's not Tesla, but it's RPM Tesla. They're a Tesla modification company. They make mods to make your Tesla look better, perform better. And this is their showpiece. So it's a Model X Plaid, which is the real world's fastest SUV. Sorry, Austin Martin, you're not. But 1,020 horsepower, 22-inch wheel, painted in black and white. You can see carbon caps there, carbon mirrors. Replace that with carbon, redone logo.
I still really feel like giving my wife a Plaid again. She's got the long range X, but they're not delivering.
The Model X Plaid comes in a 6-seat configuration. Look at it. Oh, check this out. Lamb wool. Lamb wool, yes. That's right.
So is it air conditioning in the rear seats now too? Yeah, I got it.
Blackout signals there. Carbon overlay for the rear spoiler. White Tesla letters. And the new Plaid logo. Really nicely done. Here we have Simon's Camaro. He's the founder of the show. That's his Whipple supercharged V8. Nice. And right here is his son James's Camaro with a Pro Charger. I mean a Vortec. That's a Vortec, not a Pro Charger. They look kind of the same. Vortec supercharger. McLaren 720. Oh, a 650 McLaren, but one of the limited edition Le Mans model. You can tell by the functioning roof scoop. Yeah. GT3 RS. Oh, right. Classic turbo. Nice. And then coming up, we have, looks like a Bob Brass Mercedes. Yeah, V8 bi-turbo. Yeah, with the carbon hood. Honestly, it's just a tacked-on piece. It's not functional at all, just for looks. And honestly, it doesn't look that great. Yeah. Ferrari F12, no, Ferrari California. Ferrari California. 360 Spider. GT3. 992 Turbo S convertible. F8 Tributo. 992 GT3 in black. GT3 RS. Ferrari 812 number 21 with the Italian stripes. AMG GT. Lamborghini Gallardo. McLaren 570 in green.
I was. If you had less, yeah, I would have been.
GT4. And this GT4 has a riser that rises up the wing. So check it out. See, normally the wing goes up to here, but he added this piece to increase the height. And this one is higher enough that the rear view mirror is not blocked, so he doesn't ruin his visibility. And oh, a Miami Vice Testarossa. Cool, in red, and it is for sale. So, $19.90 if you want to buy it, give this guy a call. And 1990 Testarossa, I recall, had those automatic seat belts. Right here, once you get in the car, it loops around and wraps around your shoulder. So, yeah. All right. Matte black GT3. Audi R8 V10. The trunk is up, so let's take a look at the engine. Maybe the guys modified it. No, it is just a regular V10. Now here's something you may not know about Audi. You see the engine is actually tilted a bit to the left, but you may not notice that because the X brakes also moved over. If you look at a Lamborghini, same engine, but what happened in the Lamborghini version, if you look at the X brakes, you'll see it's moved to the center while the engine's tilted to the left. So a little bit of attention to detail from Audi's part. Lamborghini, they don't care. And if I find Lamborghini with the V10 engine exposed, I'll show that to you. GT3, Lamborghini, but not the right one. Italia, another Audi R8, Turbo, Porsche, Italia Spider, and whoa-ho-ho, DBS Superleggera. The Superleggera, it's an Italian name, but it stands for super light, and this thing is anything but light.
When are you coming down here?
And we have Aston Martin V8, a McLaren 650, and a Lamborghini Huracan. Oh, check out these pair of Porsches. Both the coupe and convertible version. So here we have the convertible version. I believe it's a 356.
Yeah, that's a 350.
Yeah, it's a 356, and yeah, classic manual, classic gauges, and the thin steering wheel.
This is a 1600 Super, and that one's a Carrera.
Yeah. 1600 Super 356 from Arizona, and then we have this one from California. So same thing, but coupe version. And amazing enough, they park next to each other. Yeah.
Nipple eye. Kelly nipple eye.
Nice. And here we have the modern Porsche. So this is what the Porsches has evolved to. Here we have another classic.
54, something like that.
Yeah. It looks like it's a Plymouth. It looks like a Hudson.
Yeah.
From the movie Cars.
I know. But it's
And there's Mavers, if Mavers ever cleaned up.
slants, it was a straight 6.
Whoa, that's a nicely rebuilt engine. I see instead of fuel injectors, he's got a classic carburetor.
It's a carburetor.
Carburetor, yeah.
Yeah, Holly.
See, another carburetor setup.
Is this yours?
427 Corvette convertible. Oh, a C4ZR1. Yeah, with the dual overhead cam, 4-valve Lotus design V8. Yeah, the engine was designed by Lotus. Back when Lotus, it was a consulting company more than a car company. And so Lotus designed the engine, and then Mercury Marine actually built the engine. So and then they delivered to Chevrolet, and then Chevy put in this Corvette. And here we have
You have all the bells and whistles, right?
classic Oldsmobile. That's right, made during the time of Hoover. See? Hoover for president. And not one, but 2 air horns. You got to get attention.
What's the price on these?
The price on these, I have no idea what they would be, but the 2 air horns there, not enough. You got to have 2 more on the inside of the motor. So 4 air horns. And is there any more on the other side? Let me see. I bet you. Oh no. Yeah, there's got to be 2 more on this side. Bet you. Probably 6 air horns altogether.
Go into a hamlet. Teach them the hog box, see what-
Wow, look at that. Check out the handbrakes. This thing is awesome. Oh, totally awesome.
It's a 29. Look at that.
1929. This car is older than me. And I guess this was the original price. Anyway, this ZR1 next to it looks like a totally modern car, but this is the most powerful Corvette ever made. And of course, it's registered in Montana. I'll explain that one day. Carbon wing, carbon weight intake, more carbon. Yeah, and this is not the hood, this is the engine. Yeah, that's part of it. The engine is so big, It's part of the hood. A vintage Corvair. The reason the trunk is up because that's where the engine is, along with the spare tire. I mean, sheesh. Wow, look at that.
Right?
That intake system is like ridiculous. Basically, the Corvette uses a flat boxer engine, and that intake, and then it's turbocharged too. Oh wow! C8 Corvette, another C8 with the heritage stripe, and an Opal. Oh my God! Not one, but two of them. Holy crap! I haven't seen these things in forever. Yeah. Opal. Let's check out where the battery is. Wow, cool. Grand Sport Corvette, vintage Corvette, and another vintage one. Ho ho ho, classic hot rod. And usually big tires in the front, usually they're a little smaller. And check out the size of this tire in the back. I mean, oh my God. Oh, that's insane. And this motor, you know, twin carburetors, humongous supercharger, like almost a 4-inch belt drive. And check out that exhaust system. Basically the header come right out into the resonator and right into the atmosphere. This thing must be loud. I'm properly loud. Nice. Oh look, we're matching off-roader too. Oh, yeah. So, you know, this is for the off-road, and this here is for the on-road. Another ZR1 Corvette. Oh, next to a colorway Corvette. So this is a colorway Grand Sport. Basically, colorway replaced a supercharger and up the horsepower. So this is a much bigger supercharger than a stock car. It's so big that you have to cut a hole in the hood to clear it. You know, just like the ZR1. So same thing here. This is the part of the supercharger, and in the colorway, that's a supercharger. And this one is for sale. Nice. Let me take a look at this. Interesting paint scheme. Yeah. Oh, that's a neat touch right there. Embroider. I could feel it. I went for sale. I should give this person a call. Oh, wait a minute before I do. Oh, and it is a manual as well. That's great. That's great. Yeah. This is a Ford Bronco. It is one of 39 ever made. How do I know? Totally gutted El Camino. Check out that engine bay. It's missing fenders and stuff, but you don't need fenders. I love that. It's like a car from Cars. Check it out. Headers right into open pipes. Yeah, you thought the last car was loud. This thing is even louder. That's not even a resonator. That's just a basically open pipe setup. Yeah, this is a Ford V8 engine swap. I think it was a Pinto. Yeah, a Ford Pinto, and it is the shitbox edition. I like it. At least the guy's honest. Ex-police cruiser. I assume. Porsche Taycan. This is now Porsche's third best-selling car behind their SUV. Only been out for a year or two, and already accounts for almost 15% of Porsche's sales. Lamborghini, the noisemakers. Nice green GT3 and another 356. And I see the motorcycles are now taking over. We can tell we're at motorcycle month. Yeah, they got all the way back here now. Ooh, off-roader club. Nice. Hummer. And it's for sale, so you wanna get a Hummer H2? And I think I'll end it with the other vehicle of Simon, the founder of Cars and Coffee. This is his Chevrolet pickup truck, and his company, the Bracketeer, along with all the Cars and Coffee sponsors. Yeah, so let's give Simon a big round of applause. He has worked hard for this. Every week he's out here setting up this show for you. So if you're ever in the area, come check it out. South OC Cars and Coffee here at the San Clemente Outlet every Saturday from 9 to 11. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a like, thumbs up, like and share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.